Hey guys, this is Amit and you are watching Tech Dad. In this video, we are going to compare between OnePlus Nord CE 5G versus Poco F3. And we will discuss which one is better in camera, performance, display, body of the devices, features, communication chips and about the prices. In the end of the video, I will tell you which one is better according to me. So watch this video till the end. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let the comparison start with the camera of the devices. Talking about the rear camera of the devices, Nord CE have triple camera setup, 64 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel of depth sensor. Whereas F3 have triple camera setup, 48 megapixel of wide camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 5 megapixel of macro camera. So the winner here is Nord because it have 64 megapixel of wide camera which can take high resolution of photos. And about the front camera of the devices, Nord have 16 megapixel of wide camera whereas F3 have 20 megapixel of wide camera. So the winner here is F3 because it have 20 megapixel of wide camera. Let's talk about the camera features of the devices. Nord have LED flash, HDR and panorama whereas F3 have LED flash, HDR and panorama. So it's a tie. And about the video recording options in their devices, Nord can shoot 4K video max at 30 fps, Full HD video max at 120 fps with gyro electronic image stabilization, whereas F3 can shoot 4K video max at 30 fps, Full HD video max at 240 fps with gyro electronic image stabilization. So the winner here is F3 because it can record in high fps. Moving to the performance of the devices, let's start with the operating system of the devices. Nord have Android 11 support, on the other side F3 have Android 11 support. So it's a tie. And about the user interface of the devices, Nord have Oxygen OS whereas F3 comes with MIUI. So it's a tie because both of the devices have different UI. So it's up to you which UI you like it or not, it's up to you. Let's talk about the processor of the devices. Nord comes with Snapdragon 750G 5G based on 8nm processor, whereas F3 is powered by Snapdragon 875G based on 7nm processor. So the winner here is F3 because it have flagship grade of processor which can give you faster processing speed. And about the GPU of the devices, Nord have Adreno 619 whereas F3 have Adreno 650. So again the winner here is F3 because it can give you more FPS in games. Let's talk about the clock speed of the devices. Nord can clock at 2.2 GHz based on octa-core Creo chipset, whereas F3 can clock at 3.2 GHz based on octa-core Creo chipset. So the winner here is F3 because it have faster clock speed. And about the RAM variants in the devices, Nord have 3 options, 6, 8 and 12 GB, whereas F3 have 2 options, 6 and 8 GB. So the winner here is Nord because it have multi-RAM option. Let's talk about the internal storage of the devices. Nord comes with 128 and 256 GB of storage, whereas F3 have 2 storage options, 128 and 256 GB. So the winner here is F3 because it have faster read and write speed. And about the external storage of the devices, Nord did not have any external card slot, whereas F3 did not have. So I will call it a tie. Moving to the display features of the devices, let's start with the display size of the devices. Nord have 6.43 inches of display whereas F3 have 6.6 inches of display. So the winner here is F3 because it have bigger screen size. And about the screen to body ratio of the devices, Nord have approx 84.9% whereas F3 have 85.9%. So again it's a tie because both the devices have approx the same ratio. Let's talk about the screen resolution of the devices. Nord comes with Full HD Plus display, on the other side F3 have Full HD Plus display. So it's a tie. And about the display type of the devices, Nord have Fluid AMOLED display having 90 Hz of refresh rate, whereas F3 have AMOLED display having 120 Hz of refresh rate with HDR10 Plus support. So the winner here is F3 because it have HDR10 Plus support which can give you more vivid colors and more darker blacks. Moving to the body features of the devices, let's start with the thickness of the devices. Nord have 7.9 mm of thickness whereas F3 have 7.8 mm of thickness. So it's a tie because both of the devices have same thickness. Talking about the weight of the devices, Nord comes with 170 grams of weight whereas F3 have 196 grams of weight. So the winner here is Nord because it have lower body weight. And about the protective glass of the devices, Nord comes with Gorilla Glass 3 whereas F3 have Gorilla Glass 5. So the winner here is F3 because it have newer generation of glass which is more durable than its older generation. Let's talk about the build quality of the devices. Nord have plastic bag with plastic frame whereas F3 have glass bag with plastic frame. So the winner here is F3 because it have solid build quality. And about the SIM options in the devices, both of the devices have dual nano SIM support, so it's a tie. Moving to some of the most important features of the devices, let's start with the fingerprint scanner of the devices. Nord have under display fingerprint scanner, on the other side F3 have side mounted fingerprint scanner. So the winner here is F3 because it have physical scanner which is faster than under display. And about the sensors in the devices, Nord have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass, whereas F3 have accelerometer, gyroscope, proximity and compass. So again it's a tie. Let's talk about the battery capacity of the devices. Nord have 4500 mAh of battery capacity, whereas F3 have 4520 mAh of battery capacity. So the winner here is Nord because it have bigger battery capacity. Let's talk about the charging speed of the devices. Nord have 30 watts of fast charging, whereas F3 have 33 watts of fast charging. So the winner here is F3 because it can charge up your device faster. Let's talk about the loudspeaker of the devices. Nord comes with normal speakers, whereas F3 have stereo speakers. So the winner here is F3 because it can provide immersive sound experience. And about the headphone jack of the devices, Nord have 3.5 mm of headphone jack, whereas F3 did not have. So the winner here is Nord. Moving to the communication chips in the devices, starting with the WLAN of the devices. Both of the devices come with Wi-Fi AC, dual band Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct and hotspot, but F3 have 6th generation of Wi-Fi which provides more speed and better signal range. So the winner here is F3. And about the Bluetooth version of the devices, Nord CE have 5.1 generation of Bluetooth, whereas F3 have 5.1 generation of Bluetooth. So it's a tie because both of the devices have same generation of Bluetooth. Let's talk about the positioning chips in the devices. Nord have AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BDS and Navic, whereas F3 have dual band AGPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS and Navic chip. So the winner here is F3 because it have dual band AGPS. And about the USB connectivity of the devices, Nord comes with 2nd gen of Type-C connector with OTG support, whereas F3 also have 2nd gen of Type-C connector with OTG support, so it's a tie. Moving to the prices of the devices. In the international market, starting range of Nord is around $350, whereas F3 is available from $350. In the Indian market, Nord have starting range from 23,000 rupees, whereas F3 is available from 30,000 rupees. So the conclusion of the video is, in the camera, the winner is Nord. In the performance, the winner is F3. In the display, the winner is F3. In the body segment, the winner is F3. In the features of the device, the winner is F3. In the communication chips, the winner is F3. And about the prices, the winner is F3. So the decision is totally yours, which device you like the most so far, and let me know in the comment below what do you think, which device is better for you. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like our content, please like our video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Comment what you thought in the comment below. If you're watching this video on Facebook, please like our page TechDad, and if you want to follow me on Instagram, here's my Instagram ID on the screen. This is Amit and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.